Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And in today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to access TCL quick panel. Now the quick panel is very simple. It's just basically a quick panel that cuts through the menus and gives you some of the main function. Now the quick panel is very cool and it might be something you're missing on your TCL TV. So I just want to highlight the quick panel and what it does. Now on your remote, the quick panel is shown as, let's see if I can focus here. Sorry. Let me see if I can show you what this is. It's this button over here. So if I tap it or select the button, you'll see the quick panel appear. And as you can see, it has your most recent. It has the quick hubs, game center. It has TCL channel. It has inputs. It has settings. It has search, and of course TCL home, which is above, and you can edit. So of course that's a quick access to it. In case you don't have the remote, you can actually access it here. Let me just show you what that is. So if I go up here, if I go home, if I come all the way over here, you'll see it over here. It says TCL quick panel. So you can actually access it there, or of course you can take the long way around. Quick panel is very easy to use. It's one of the cool features that's built in, and it's a quick way to access your settings instead of scrolling through menus. So you may want to use that. Just want to highlight that on your device. So definitely check that out. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye guys.